Hello students, in this video I am explaining about the calorific values of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So actually whatever the food we will take, it is supposed to finally converts into energy. That means the food may have carbohydrates, proteins or fats. Whatever we take, that is finally converts or gives us energy. This energy content of the food is measured. So energy that is present in the food is measured in terms of heat energy. Why this is expressed, measured in terms of heat energy means heat energy is the ultimate form of all energies. And units for this heat energy are calories or joules. Since these values are very smaller values, a physiologist can measure these values for kg. So we can also write the units like this: kilo, calories or kilo joules. So we can define this kilo calories or kilojoules as the amount of heat energy required to increase 1 kg of water temperature to the 1 degree centigrade. So heat energy required to increase the 1 kg water temperature to the 1 degree centigrade is known as the kilocalories. Now let us see. So this gross calorific value. So gross calorific value means, so this is the heat energy which is released by the complete combustion of combustion of 1 gram of food in bomb calorimeter. So that means the energy that is released when oxidative breakdown of 1 gram of food is done. That energy is known as a gross calorific value. So actually it is done in the bomb calorimeter. So it is experimental value, not yet. It was not taken in the human body. It is a experimental value. And physiological calorific value. So this is also heat of energy which is released by the combustion of 1 gram of food is known as the physiological calorific value. So it is actually the energy which is released by the oxidative breakdown of 1 gram of food in our body. So the difference between the gross calorific value and physiological calorific value means it is totally an experimental value, a laboratorically experimental value. So whereas the physiological calorific value is the value actual energy which is released by the breakdown of the 1 gram of food in our body. And now let us see this gross calorific values and physiological values, calorific values for carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This is gross calorific value. For carbohydrates is 4.1 kilocalories per gram. And gross calorific value for proteins is 5.65 kilocalories per gram. That means, so for the combustion of, for the breakdown of the proteins, 1 gram of protein in the bomb calorimeter, how much? 5.65 kilocalories energy is released. So here 4.1 means, so by the combustion of, by the breakdown of carbohydrates in the bomb calorimeter, 4.1 kilocalories energy is released. And gross calorific value for fats is 9.45 kilocalories per gram. So that means, so by the complete combustion of 1 gram of fats in bomb calorimeter, so how much energy is released? 9.45 kilocalories energy is released. And next, physiological calorific values. For carbohydrates is 4.0 kilocalories per grams. So that means for the, by the combustion of, that means breakdown of 1 gram of carbohydrate, 4.0 kilocalories energy is released in our body. And physiological calorific value for proteins is 4.0 kilocalories per gram. That means by oxidative breakdown of 1 gram of proteins will liberate 4 kilocalories energy in our body. And physiological calorific value for fats is 9.0 kilocalories per gram. That means 1 gram of fats breakdown will liberate 9.0 kilocalories energy to the body. So here, if you observe one thing, so both the carbohydrates, proteins, physiological calorific values are 4, and for the fats it is 9. And the gross calorific values are always more than the physiological calorific value. This is why means gross calorific values are experimental values. The combustion is, the breakdown is completely done. Complete breakdown of the food is happened in the X-bar calorimeter. So the gross calorific values are more. Carbohydrates or proteins or fats are more than the physiological calorific value. Whereas the physiological calorific value, that means the energy, may be lost in the form of heat energy. So that is the reason why always the gross calorific values are more than the physiological calorific value. So thank you students. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.